Hello guys, welcome to next video of this course, which is exploration of different views. So this is the report view where we can drag and drop visualization and try to show data using visuals. Now we can simply just expand this visualization tab and just click any visual you want. So let's start with the first, which is stacked bar chart. As soon as I click here, the bar chart appears and the filters option also expands automatically. So let's close it and also close the visualization tab for better view. So if I want to just see any visualization, so I will simply, let's say profit. So it's sum of profit, but we have to add something here because this is bar chart and we have two axes for any type of bar chart. So in a x-axis sum of profit is there, so we can simply move it to y-axis and then let's add date. So I will simply click on this date and I only want to select, let's say, month. So I will remove all other options and this will appear, and I will simply move it to x-axis. So this is the data and it's not clearly visible, so what will I do? I will just replace them in this way. And as you can see, the profit is not clearly visible, so we can do one thing. Instead of order date, we can just select date hierarchy and let's say quarter, so only 4 options will be visible. So quarter 1, this was the profit of around more than 25k. Quarter 2, it was more than 1000. Quarter 3, we were in loss, and quarter 4, we were around 11 to 12k according to this figure. So this is the basic stacked bar chart. Now if you want to visualize the same data in different terms, let's say this stacked column chart. So I will simply click here and the data will get automatically transformed from stacked bar chart to stacked visual charts. Moving ahead, clustered bar chart, and then clustered column chart, 100% stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, line chart, area chart, stacked area chart, and so on. So this is a basic way to pull our data into visualization. We can do same by just dragging the data. So if I click here and not select this visual, I will just select, let's say, this, and if I want to just, let's say, copy the profit, I will just drag here and I will only drag month. So this will show the profit by month, as you can see. So January, and if you want to see the exact amount of profit, you can view the 3 options here. So first is adding data tool, the second is visual tool. So just simply go to here. So in the visual section, if I just on this data label, I will get the exact amount, which is 9.7k, 8.5, 7.8, and so on. Now suppose we want to change the color of this numbers, so I will simply expand it, scroll down, and here is the value option. So this is the default color. I can change it to any color I want. If you can see, this is the change color. So this is the basic idea of the visualization tab and this report view. Apart from this, there is a lot in visualization view, like as you can see, and in this course I cannot explain you all the visuals because it will take a lot of time. So for now, this is the basic report view where we will be dragging and dropping the data and doing some magic, and our end report is created in the report view only, which is this. So we will be developing this type of report at the end of this course. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will be exploring these 2 views, which is table view and model view, which is very important for us to understand. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video.